Right, children. So yesterday we were studying about the cardiac cycle, and as I said, cardiac cycle is cardiac cycle completes in 3 steps. First is joint diastole, in which the entire heart is relaxed. Entire heart, that is all 4 chambers are relaxed. So the blood fills in both the atrium, and when the blood fills in both the atrium, since the AV valves are opening downwards and they are partially open, so the blood from the atrium fills into the ventricles also. Around 70 or 72%, 75% blood from the atrium goes to their respective ventricles, non-stop, without any cross. The next is atrial systole, in which both atria contracts and pumps blood to their respective ventricles. Okay, and the third one is ventricular systole. Could you hear me? Again, I'll speak. The cardiac cycle completes in 3 steps. Step number 1 is joint diastole, in which all the 4 chambers are in the relaxed state. So the blood can from all over the body, that is from all over the body, or comes into deoxygenated blood from all over the body comes to the right atrium, and oxygenated blood from both the lungs comes to left atrium. And since AV valves are also open, so the blood from the atrium goes to their respective ventricles there and then. Okay. The next is atrial systole, and in atrial systole both the atriums are contracted simultaneously, more or less simultaneously. As said, first the impulse reaches to the right atrium. Right atrium will contract first, and then soon after that will be the left atrium. That difference is not a very big difference. It's a part of a second's difference. Okay. So in that time both the ventricles will contract, and the blood from both the atrium contracts, and blood from both the atrium goes into their respective ventricle. And the third is ventricular systole. Ventricular systole pumps the blood to the great arteries, the pulmonary artery and the aorta. Pulmonary artery will take it to the lungs for oxygenation, and the aorta will take it to all over the body for distribution of oxygen and other substances. Okay, so this is how these 3 steps goes on. So first, second and third. If I say joint diastole, and then atrial systole and ventricular systole, so we can write like this: joint diastole, then atrial systole, then ventricular systole, then, so this will go on and on, okay, non-stop. Once you heart start beating. Heart is made in the first month of the pregnancy. First month of gestation only the heart is made, and from there it will go on working as long as you are alive. कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि वो 1 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, 10 सेकेंड के लिए भी रुक जाए. Heart will be continuously working. You do not get any such good pumps. Yesterday I had to get my car's AC replaced. 5 साल के अंदर कार का AC कंप्रेसर खराब हो, मतलब 5 years only it could not work. Whereas the heart of a person can easily continuously work non-stop for 100, even 108, 110 years. ठीक है, and अमूमन 40-45 तक rarely we find somebody's heart is failed at the age of lesser, मतलब smaller ages. Generally heart is continually work. हाँ, the death may occur due to some reason or other, not because of the heart. The heart is still hale and hearty, it is working, it is continually working, it is not having any defect. Heart में defect आएंगी वो the rare case के अंदर. So you can imagine that how good pump it is. दुनिया की जितनी भी डिवाइसेस आप देखते हैं, मैन मेड डिवाइसेस विद सो मच ऑफ एक्यूरेसी, सो मच ऑफ कंप्यूटराइजेशन, वी मेक देम सो मच ऑफ केयर एंड दिस थिंग वी आर मेकिंग एंड वी आर टेस्टिंग देम विद ऑल द पॉसिबल टाइप ऑफ कंडीशंस. ठीक है, एंड पूरा उसको स्टेबलाइजर लगा रहे हैं, पावर सप्लाई बराबर दे रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट दे स्पॉइल. बट आवर हार्ट विच इज अ पंप विच इज कंटिन्यूसली गोइंग विद अ पेस एंड द वेरिएबल पेस. ठीक है, इट कैन इंक्रीज इट्स वर्किंग, इट कैन डिक्रीज इट्स वर्किंग, है ना, एज एंड व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड. तो कार्डियक साइकिल समझ आया आपको. नाउ मैं यहाँ से पढ़ देता हूँ अबाउट द कार्डियक साइकिल क्या है, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चैप्टर के अंदर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स में से एक है कार्डियक साइकिल. ठीक है, तो देखिए हाउ डज द हार्ट फंक्शन. लेट अस लुक एट टेक अ लुक. To begin with, all the 4 chambers of the heart are first in the relaxed stage. All the 4 chambers, and this is called joint diastole. As the tricuspid and bicuspid walls are opening downward, तो वो open ही रहते हैं. ठीक है, they will close only when the ventricle contracts and pushes the blood upward. So blood from the pulmonary veins and the vena cava flows into the left and right ventricle respectively through the left and right atria. वो एट्रिया में ब्लड भरा है, लेकिन AV walls are open, so they will directly flow into the ventricle. The semilunar walls are closed at this stage. The SAN, that is the sino-auricular node, now generates an action potential. ठीक है, अभी action potential नहीं था. What is action potential and all that we study in the 22nd chapter. अभी आप ये सोचते हैं action potential का मतलब है that is when the impulse comes in. ठीक है, तो when impulse will come तो some contraction will take place. तो क्या हुआ देखिए, SA node now generate an action potential which stimulate both the atria to undergo simultaneous contraction, atrial systole जिसको नाम दिया अपन ने. ठीक है, simultaneous contract, that is called atrial systole. This increases the flow of blood from into the ventricle about 30%. 70% पहले जा चुका है, 30% जो बचा हुआ वो भी अब कैसे चला जाएगा. The action potential is conducted to the ventricle side. फिर हमने पढ़ा that is the heart था हमारा, that is for the heart. If I simply make 4 chambers, if I just for the sake of understanding, and these are the 4 chambers. So here it was SA node and here it was AV node. There is no link, there is no connection. ठीक है, SA node से impulse कैसे जा रहे हैं? Impulse are carried by the muscles, the cardiac muscle itself. Okay, then it will come to the AV node. From AV node it goes to both the ventricles by a bundle of phase, and then with the Purkinje fibers it reaches to both the ventricles. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आने में उसको थोड़ा डिले हुआ है. It will take little time. Atrium contract होने के soon after that ventricle, the impulse will reach here and the ventricular contraction will take place. So see, the action potential is conducted to the ventricle side by AVN, that is auriculoventricular node, AV bundle, from where bundle of His transmitted to the entire ventricular musculature. ठीक है, पूरे ventricles में पहुंच गए. And this causes the ventricular muscles to contract. Now there is no difference in the ventricular muscles की left पहले होगा right पहले, because both the information या impulse are reaching to both the ventricles simultaneously by the fibers, Purkinje fiber and bundle of His. So they will contract simultaneously. तो वो joint ventricular systole होगा या आप सिर्फ ventricular systole कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो this transmits through the entire ventricular musculature, and this causes the ventricle muscles to contract, that is called ventricular systole. Okay, the atria undergoes relaxation, that is diastole, and coinciding with the ventricular systole. ठीक है, तो ये आपने पढ़ा, दैट इज नाउ वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल इंक्रीज द वेंट्रिकुलर प्रेशर या प्रेशर कॉजिंग द क्लोजर ऑफ द ट्राइकस्पिड। नाउ उसको मैं थोड़ा आगे समझा, तो ये आपको समझ आ गया कार्डियक साइकिल। नाउ हम पढ़ते हैं देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ हार्ट साउंड्स। ओके, हार्ट साउंड, इसको हम कहते हैं लब एंड डब। फर्स्ट हार्ट साउंड that is called lub, second heart sound that is called dub. Now how? When both ventricles contracts, both ventricle contracts, so what will happen? The pressure will increase in the ventricles. The blood will, the walls of the ventricles will exert a greater pressure on the blood. So the blood will escape from the ventricles. अब blood को escape होने के लिए 2 जगह है। I will make the diagram again. Okay. These are ventricles. Ventricles contract. So now some of the blood will try to go this side. Some of the blood will go to try to go to that side. मतलब blood पहले क्या एट्रियम में जाने का प्रयास करेगा। क्या करेगा? प्रयास. But these ventricles can open only, these walls can open only this side, not that side. So ये possibility नहीं है. This possibility is not there. ये जो door है, classroom door. The classroom door, you want to see, these are the classroom doors. This classroom door can open only inside, not outside. If a wind blows with a greater force, so what will happen? The door will move that side and they will shut. वो एक जगह पे जाके बंद हो जाएंगे. Similarly, when the blood flows and hits into the AV wall, the AV wall shuts. Both the bicuspid and tricuspid wall shuts. ठीक है, तो क्या लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे? The ventricle contracts, the blood flows and hits the AV wall leading to its closure. That there is a door closure. So as it will close, we'll hear this sound. Okay, एक आवाज आएगी हमको. Now, फिर क्या होगा? Now blood has got this way. यहाँ से तो जा सकते हैं. This opening is open and here the AV valves which are the semilunar valves which are opening outside, so no problem. ये ऊपर चले जाएंगे. Now, no sooner the entire ventricle comes to the relaxed state, both the 4 chambers come to the relaxed state. ये भी relax, ये भी relax, ये भी relax, ये भी relax. As it comes to relaxed state, तो क्या होगा? The pressure is decreased here. There is high pressure in the atrium, high pressure in the pulmonary artery, but low pressure in the ventricle. So the blood will try to move from high pressure to low pressure. That is, वो वापस से कहाँ आने लगेंगे? पीछे की तरफ आने लगेंगे. It will try to backflow into the ventricles. तभी ये वाले दरवाजे बंद हो जाएंगे. कौन सा वाले दरवाजे? सेमिलुनार वॉल के. मैं दोबारा बना देता हूँ यहाँ पे because it is too much of hodgepodge. So this is atrium and यहाँ पे एक वॉल है अर्धचंद्राकार, that is half moon shape, lunar shape. Luna means moon, semi means half, so half moon shaped walls. So जैसे ही blood पीछे आने लगेगा, these walls will close and closer of the semilunar wall will produce another sound, that is dub sound. Sound are produced because of the closure of valves. The love sound or the first heart sound is produced when the ventricles are contracted and the AV valves are closed. Second heart sound is produced when ventricles are relaxed and semilunar valves are closed. So if the difference comes, what is the difference between first heart sound and second heart sound? First heart sound में आप लिखेंगे the ventricles are closed. Second heart sound में ventricles are relaxed. First heart sound में the AV valve closes. Second heart sound में the semilunar valve closes. ठीक है? So this is what the heart sounds are. Okay. तो देखते हैं क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे. The pressure causing the closure of the tricuspid and bicuspid valve due to the attempt of backflow of the blood into the atria and the ventricular pressure increases further. The semilunar valve guarding the pulmonary artery right side and of the right side and the atria are forced open, allowing the blood to go into the ventricle. ये खुल जाएंगे and the blood will go into the from the ventricle to that side. ठीक है? अब क्या होंगे? The ventricle now relaxes. Ventricle relax होता है. पूरा heart ही relax होता है. Both all four chambers are relaxed. So then what will happen with pressure? Decrease. Pressure is more in the atrium. अब देखते हैं relaxed. The ventricles now relax. The ventricular diastole. अब इससे क्या होगा? The ventricular pressure falls, causing the closure of semilunar valves, which prevent the backflow of the blood to the ventricle. ये बंद हो जाएंगे, so that the blood cannot go back to the ventricles. ठीक है? So this is what the closure of the semilunar valves, which prevent the backflow of the blood into the ventricle. As the ventricular pressure declines further, the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are pushed open, and the pressure of the atria exerted by the blood, which are being also emptied into them by the veins. ठीक है? तो ये तो हो गया मेरे heart sound. Now let us see now what next. The sequential event of the heart, which is cyclically repeated, is called the cardiac cycle, and it consists of systole and diastole of both atria and ventricle. And as mentioned earlier, the heart beats 72 times in 60 seconds. 60 seconds, 72 beats. Bar and the start, heart and back. So इसको से डिवाइड करेंगे, which will come somewhere about 0.8 सेकेंड. ठीक है? तो ये आ रहा है यहाँ पे. ठीक है? 72 times per minute, and many cardiac cycles are performed. Many cardiac cycles are performed per minute 72 times. So 72 cardiac cycles. From this we could deduce that the duration of a cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. During the cardiac cycle, each ventricle pumps approximately 70 ml blood. यहाँ पे कितना blood आएगा? 70 ml in one cardiac cycle. And how many cardiac cycles are there in a minute? 70. So multiply कर लेते हैं. 0 पे यहाँ लास्ट 7 to 0 14 7 to 49 50 milliliter, which is approximately 5 liter. And this much of blood is found in human. An adult human has somewhere about 5 to 5.5 liter blood. 5.5 तो extreme cases हो गए, अच्छे मोटे तगड़े वही 6.5 फीट का आदमी होगा, उसके अंदर होंगे शायद. Normally 5 liter blood रहता है, and the entire 5 liter blood passes from heart in a minute. ठीक है? So you can guess the saying, that is how every minute one, मतलब your entire blood is passed through heart one time. तो ज़िंदगी भर में कितनी बार आपका ब्लड आपके हार्ट में से निकल गया हो, है ना? That is some easy calculations हैं, some things to know, some interesting data, है ना? Therefore the cardiac output can be defined as the volume of the blood pumped out by each ventricle per minute, which is average 5000 milliliter, that is 5 liter, which is about the total blood of a healthy individual. The body has an ability to alter the stroke volume as well as the heart rate and thereby cardiac output pump. ये कब है? This is during rest. Now suppose you start running, you start indulging into heavy activity, you stand your and you do that treadmill exercise in your house, treadmill चला लिया आपने and you are running, so naturally the heartbeat will also increase, and as the heartbeat increases, more blood is pumped in a minute. So in that case the pumping rate can go much beyond than the 5 liter. For example, cardiac output of an athlete can be much higher than an ordinary man. During each cardiac cycle, two prominent sounds are produced, which are first heart sound, that is the lub, and the second heart sound is dub. तो ये मैंने आपको बता दिया. Now lub and dub sound जो है, they are very important. In the olden times, when the people never had stethoscope even, they used to put their ear on the chest and hear that sound. फिर stethoscope आया और फिर now ECG is come, and now we got so many equipments. So now and it is not legal also कि हम किसी को टच करें या किसी का हार्ट बीट सुने, ठीक है. So now we got so many devices, you know. तो ये देखते हैं. सबसे एक डिवाइस के नाम है, दैट इज ECG, इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ, ठीक है. ग्राफ यू मीन्स, ग्राफ का मतलब होता है राइटिंग. इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियो मतलब इलेक्ट्रो मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, कार्डियो मतलब हार्ट. हार्ट के इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स को ग्राफ के फॉर्म में प्लॉट करने को हम कहेंगे इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ एक्चुअली शोइंग द वर्किंग ऑफ द हार्ट, हाउ द हार्ट्स आर वर्किंग. दैट इज हाउ कार्डियक साइकिल की जो 3 स्टेप अपन ने लिखे, हाउ दे आर गोइंग. इन फैक्ट ECG इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कार्डियक साइकिल ओनली. तो देखते हैं, यू आर प्रोबेबली फैमिलियर विद द सीन ऑफ ए टिपिकल हॉस्पिटल टेलीविजन शो. Patient is hooked into the monitor. Patient is hooked up in the monitor machine that's showing the voltage traces on the screen and make the sound pip 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 beep. My wife, when she was in hospital, she was telling, she was in ECU क्या ICU, and वो बोले थे बस वहाँ पे केवल यही आवाज़ आती है, this person machine, that person machine, that person machine, that person machine, as if all the ICU machine, these machines, they are talking to each other in a rhythmic manner. चलिए, किसी आदमी के लिए घबराने के लिए और किसी आदमी के लिए मन बहलाने के लिए यही आवाज़ है वहाँ पे, और कोई तो साधन मिल नहीं सकता इन द ICU. ओके, तो पिप 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 पी पिप 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 पी करके यही आवाज़ आती रहेगी. द पेशेंट गोज इनटू कार्डियक अरेस्ट. द टाइप ऑफ मशीन, दैट इज द इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ, इज यूज्ड टू ऑब्टेन द इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम. ओके. The ECG is a graphical representation of electrical activities of the heart during a cardiac cycle. Electrical activity of the heart. Now just now I said the heart has got 2 centers. एक SA node है और एक AV node. SA node receives some impulse and then it is passed to the heart muscle. From the heart muscle it is distributed to entire this region. Muscle है, muscle ने signal छोड़ दिया. Now it is no more in the wires, it is no more in the nerves, it is no more covered by insulation like myelin and all. Now it is open in muscles. Though the voltage is very very mild. Very mild means it is not going to cause any damage. इससे ज़्यादा तो हम वैसे ही पकड़ लेते हैं, केवल बोल तक की चीज़ों को तो हम ऐसे ही पकड़ लेते हैं चलते फिरते करके, है ना. There are so many cells and all you are simply holding, so many charger and all you are simply holding, which may be having this much of voltage. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल जो हैं they are very mild, they are not going to cause any damage to the body. Now what happens whenever a person is going, when he is feeling uncomfortable, when not good, or his heart problems are there, then they are taken to the hospital, they are asked to lie down on a couch, and then the ECG is taken with the help of some electrodes which are put onto the chest, they are put onto the fingertips, they are put onto the toes and all. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, whenever the heart signal comes, so the signals are leaked into the blood, and these electrodes जो है, they are receiving them, they are amplifying it, they are sent to the ECG machine where they are programmed to receive these impulse and convert them into that writing tool. ठीक है, तो उससे वो प्लॉट करता है। टू ऑब्टेन द स्टैंडर्ड ईसीजी शोन इन द फिगर दिस थिंग, ये यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको, ये स्टैंडर्ड ईसीजी है। आप ईसीजी आजकल के लेकर के आएंगे, सपोज योर पेरेंट, ब्रदर, सिस्टर और दादाजी दादी जी कुछ किसी का ईसीजी लिया होगा, ये वर फाउंड सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ, वन ऑफ दिस, ये तो सबसे सिंपल टाइप है, तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज रिटन इट इज द मोस्ट ऑर्डिनरी वन, स्टैंडर्ड वन। ओके, द पेशेंट इज कनेक्टेड टू द मशीन एंड द 3 electrodes, one each the wrist and the left ankle are continuously monitored by the heart activity for detailed evaluation the heart function. Multiple electrodes, आजकल तो अगर हम जाते हैं तो 12-13 इलेक्ट्रोड लगा देते हैं, ठीक है। इफ़ यू गो फॉर इंश्योरेंस, आपने कोई इंश्योरेंस कराया, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस या कोई इंश्योरेंस, तो आप पूरा मेडिकल करेंगे, तो दे विल पुट ऑल सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड्स एंड दे विल आस्क यू टू रन ऑन द ट्रेडमिल ऑल्सो। वो देख लेंगे आपके दिल के किसी कोने में कोई गड़बड़ी तो नहीं है, बिकॉज इंश्योरेंस देना मतलब टुमारो समथिंग हैपन यू विल आस्क इंश्योरेंस कंपनी टू क्लेम, सो उससे पहले वो देख लेंगे, जांच विचारेंगे कि योर हार्ट इज वर्किंग इन प्रॉपर मैनर और नॉट। ओके, नाउ दिस स्टैंडर्ड ईसीजी जो है, इट हैज गॉट so many points. See, yeah, P is there, the Q is there, R, S, T. These are called peaks. Okay, so there are different peaks over there. Now each peak of the ECG is identified with a letter from P to T, which correspond to specific electrical activity of the heart. सबसे पहले है P wave. क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है P wave? P wave is the electrical excitation or depolarization of atria. ठीक है, सो विच लीड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ बोथ एट्रिया। जब पी वेव आएगा तो दोनों एट्रियम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे एंड दे विल पुश द 30% ब्लड विच इज रिमेन इन द एट्रियम इनटू देयर रेस्पेक्टिव वेंट्रिकल, विच लीड टू द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ बोथ एट्रिया। द QRS, वन आफ्टर अदर, इंस्टेंट, ठीक है। कॉम्प्लेक्स रिप्रेजेंट डीपोलराइजेशन ऑफ वेंट्रिकल। अब क्या है, वेंट्रिकल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं साइमल्टेनियसली, ठीक है। नाउ वेंट्रिकल सिंस दे रिक्वायर ग्रेटर फोर्स सिंस देयर टू पंप द ब्लड टू द फार डिस्टेंसेस, सो वहाँ पे देखिए द पीक इज रीच अप टू R, ठीक है। तो जो डिपोलराइजेशन है, देयर मोर इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स फ्लोज एंड द पीक इज रीच अप टू R, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड QRS, है ना। और फिर आते हैं T पे। T क्या है, T इज द रिलैक्स, सॉरी जॉइंट डायस्टोल। तो अगर हम कार्डियक साइकिल से देखेंगे तो P इज स्टैंडिंग द सेकेंड इवेंट ऑफ द कार्डियक साइकिल, QRS इज स्टैंडिंग थर्ड इवेंट एंड T इज स्टैंडिंग फॉर फर्स्ट इवेंट। ओके, तो देखते हैं T क्या लिखा है। द T वेव रिप्रेजेंट द रिटर्न ऑफ द वेंट्रिकल फ्रॉम एक्साइटमेंट एंड नॉर्मल स्टेट, दैट इज द रिपोलराइजेशन। द एंड ऑफ द T वेव मेक्स द एंड ऑफ द सिस्टोल. Obviously, by counting the number of QRS complexes and other given time period, and one can determine the heart's rate of an individual, और कौन सा पार्ट ठीक काम कर रहा है, कौन सा नहीं कर रहा है, whether the atrium is working in a proper manner or ventricles are working in a proper manner or not, that we can get by these peaks. तो ये वेव जो है, इनके साइज और ये सब जो है एंड इनका डिस्टेंस है, इनका टाइम के साथ में जो प्लॉट किया, दैट विल टेल अस which part of the heart is having problem, inflammation or some sort of aberration, some sort of problem, है ना। तो वो उनको पता पड़ेगा। अगर if everything is going smoothly, that means your heart is working exactly right. So since ECG obtained from the different individuals have roughly the same shape and the given for given lead configuration, any deviation from the shape initiate a possible abnormality or disease. Hence, it is of great clinical significance. डबल सर्कुलेशन मैंने आपको पिछली बार बता दिया था, रेगुलेशन ऑफ हार्ट एक्टिविटी मैंने आपको बता दिया था। डिसऑर्डर करके चैप्टर कंप्लीट करेंगे टुमारो। ओके चिल्ड्रन, एंड बाय दिस वीक एंड दैट इज टुमारो इज द लास्ट क्लास, सो विल बी एबल टू फिनिश दैट ऑल्सो. So with this we come to the end of today's lecture, children.